Okay team, time for the pour. We've got purple far end, yellow, emerald green, orange, red and blue. So just going to start pouring this up. I was just doing the last pour of the Wellington Kaleidoscope Table, and the hard part is actually judging depth colour against what I'm trying to achieve. We would like to have a light box under it, but if it works out, a light box can go in, all good, and if it works out that light box isn't going to work, just one of those things really, I think, at the end of the day. Another thing is try and, even though we put gates and stuff in, just trying to, maintain the correct volume so one's not going to push the other one out of the way. Got Chris on the camera today. So Chris has been buying a bit of resin and stuff off us, and it's just come down to get some more product, but I'm kind of into painting the tabletop board. Okay guys, so this is the Kaleidoscope table, and Ray's just shining a torch under it so you can see what it looks like. And yeah, I'm quite happy that we put a very low wattage light system under it, that it's just enough to make it glow, but not to make it super bright. Ray, would you be able to just move it like down the table, and then I'll just get a bit of video, just so it shows what it's like under each colour. Yeah, hey guys, Paul here, Resin with Tables. Ew, sticky! I just put my hand in the sticky stuff. I didn't realise it was a bit sticky on top. So this is the Wellington Kaleidoscope table, and we're over here at Ray's workshop.
Hi, I'm Ray, and yeah, whole table here, we're just gonna mill it through the milling sled, and then we probably take about 5 rep from the top just to expose all the timber, and then sand it down and oil it. You can see like there's few gates here when pour the resin, so the powders don't mix together and minimize it. So what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna sand it and grind some of it, and then pour the same powder to
refill it. So this table, guys, like you'll see the video of the whole making of this table from start to finish. But basically we put I put 15 ml of clear resin in the base that was slightly tinted, and then on top of that I put 25 millimeters of glass beading through. And then on top of that we bring 10 ml of each colour, and and it's really hard to tell how translucent it's going to be when you're sitting on a dark mould. So we just had to guess that a bit. So 10 ml of solid colour, possibly 15, and then this top pours most likely about 15 to 20 ml of colour that has blended into each other. As you'll see, the blue's blended into the red's blending into the orange to green, green to yellow, and the yellow running into the purple part. So as you can see there, like under here, it does look a little bit wishy-washy, yeah, in the purple. it's just one of those things, you know, like, I think that at the end of the day, we just want it to be lightly illuminated so it has like a bit of a glow at night. And I'll just move along here. Oh, you just tell me where to go, bro. Get up on this.
Just put it on the top of the rail.
How does that look?
Yeah, it's really cool. Like you can see, there's gonna be a light underneath the table where it glows like it's glowing in the dark. So that's what the concept of the rail is going to be. Yeah, that's the report. You did a good job.
Oh, cheers, brother. How's that looking on
Yeah,
top?
like the merging of the red into the blue color, it's just stunning. So, like, I think we just need to wait and see how it goes when this one goes fresh. You right there?
Yeah, I'm good, right?
Oh yeah, the blue part, just so cool. Really nice.
Yeah, that's cool, eh? Oh god, so that's what it looks like, guys. I'm just gonna get out from under here. Oh, my nails are pretty here. Like a small hill won't take. Oh. Oh. Anyway, guys, so there you have it. Wellington Kaleidoscope Table. She's going to be an absolute stunner.